And what they want is also what we want, is the preservation, the upliftment, and to keep the nature intact over there for people to enjoy nature. So what they want is also what we want. No permanent structure there, and to give prominent attention to the nature in Lumpongdeng. Their main focus is the Lumpongdeng, and in no uncertain terms have we told them that there will be no permanent construction in Lumpongdeng, and we will continue. We are open to any dialogue, discussion, consultation with them. We requested them that if they feel they still have to go ahead with opposing the project, the Lumpongdeng, that is on them, but we have requested that at least to withdraw the hunger strike, because it involves a human life. It is a humanitarian issue, and at least to withdraw the hunger strike first. All other things we can continue to talk. There is no harm in talking. There is no harm for them to also raise their objection, provided that no bodily harm should come to any of their members. That is the most concerning issue for us. The response is that they want us to withdraw any project there in Lumpongdeng, but the question of withdrawing projects in Lumpongdeng does not arise because there is no project in Lumpongdeng. It is an experiential type of tourism, which will be reviewed from case to case. So if there are any concerns, we will review. But as of now, there is no project in the Lumpongdeng. The Lumpongdeng remains untouched in terms of construction. So what is there to withdraw when there is no project in the first place? What they want is also what we want, which is to preserve the beauty and the nature in Lumpongdeng.